That's what they're talking about.
Are there more like this?
Why you have to many? Why you have to
This is a safety stick.
Careful, eh? Yeah.
Be careful, slow but steady. May mga mushrooms. Ang dami. Edible kaya to?
Here's one.
I said,
Okay, Vivian? Yeah, I'm okay.
slowly.
No worries. One at a time, baby step.
Going down will be worse.
Yeah. Need to hold. Use your two hands.
Can we go? They're flying down.
Down backwards
Yeah, I will do that.
is the best way. I see.
You okay? How can I help you?
Look on the tree. There's a little red mark on the tree.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, see right there?
Okay.
You just follow it.
Just follow.
The red
Does our
mark,
path
yeah.
for you.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank
And then
you.
you see the path
Good luck.
already, people.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Ate, okay? Yeah.
Up the kind of the rocks, it's like half an hour to the lookout point, I would say. So, but you'll see, like 100 meters from now, you'll be able to see how it goes up,
Okay.
and then you'll be able
Thank
to tell
you.
whether or not this is,
We will check.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, yeah? So you're okay, Luis? Yeah. No problem there? Well, that's you. It's where you come. Okay.
Take your time. Oh yes.
It used to be
Way better.
Yeah, a lot steeper and slipperier. And, yeah, so now that they've kind of revamped it a bit.
It's worth the trip though. We all enjoy it. The view is spectacular. Make sure you go to all the viewpoints though. There's one that's over Lake Huron.
Oh.
But
When we got up, so he'll get some more when we get home or when we get back to the car.
Okay.
Enjoy your walk.
Okay, thank you.
Can we take a picture?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
you already
already
did.
taking video. Ready to video.
Good boy, Emilio.
Okay.
What breed is that?
Pug.
Okay.
So cute.
All right, thank you. Okay, bye. Take care.
Gets easier.
Ikaw picture ka? Baba ka?
Sige.
Kaya lang naman ako.
Oh, yeah.
What are they quarrying for? Cement?
Cement probably, yeah.
Okay, after 2 hours of climbing, we finally made it! Hey! Yahoo! Thank God!
Stop and Soccer Trail. And Judy is over there. Please don't jump, Judy. And And Luis is enjoying it. How are you? Wonderful.
Luis, how is it? Is it really worth the trip?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, magnificent, isn't it? Right?
Beautiful place.
Yes.
yes, beautiful,
place.
lovely.
And if not for you, we wouldn't have been encouraged to come here. We would have chickened out.
Oh, why?
You're our inspiration.
Judy, push ka sa kanila.
Sige.
Okay. Here are the 3 successful climbers
Include yourself.
here at Cap and Saucer.
Put the camera on yourself.
Camera on myself. Okay, okay. Team name?
Team.
Senior Senior hiking group.
Senior Society hiking group.
Senior hiking society. Yes. All right.
Senior hiking society.
Yes.
Oh my God.
All right.
And our muse.
Are we going
Take a
for
picture,
successful
Pat.
climbers?
And then we go online to claim our certificate.
Okay.
Kuya, picture mo nga kami.
Okay. So this is the Cap and Saucer
Trail.
trail.
Yung doon sa ano ang kapan sauce
Yung blue?
yung hard. The hard.
Wow! Bungay shoes.
Yeah, see?
Look! You wanna sit down here and take a picture? Okay, okay. Sit down, sit down.
Just stand up.
Oh, that's magnificent, isn't it?
Stand up lang ka. Can I hold my hand here? And you take my picture. Holding to the cliff.
Just pretending.
Even hearing you talk about it, my my voice is shrinking. My God.
Are you sure you still have it? I'll make it like this. Woo! Nice.
Nice,
Okay.
eh?
Just stay there.
Oh my God. It's breathtaking.
Kuya, ay, ate, dito ako.
Sige lang.
Yung may bato na
It's
naman.
breathtaking. It's taking my breath. Yeah. Woo! Hello, Luis.
Hi!
What do you think about this view?
Magnificent,
Is it worth the trekking?
Yes.
I love it.
Yes, magnificent.
Oh, yeah. Awesome.
Really worth it. That one is worth it.
My God. I don't want to go near.
I don't like looking down.
Yes.
I like it. I like. Oh, this one I want. Us. We're all the humanity. And we came here half alive and half dead. But we place our life in the hands of God. So we trust the Lord, so we arrive here safe and sound.
We still have 1 hour to go down.
Lord, help us. Protect us on our way down. Oh, beautiful. Look at the windmills.
Yes.
Oh. Is it worth it?
Murag si Kuan. Model. Model.
Model platoon. Okay. Yeah. Huh? No, it's okay. Are we on the right track? Down. It's the best option. this vlogger. Vlogging in our most awkward. This is the saucer.
I don't like that not having a rail on that side.
You're lefty? You're lefty?
Both. I can do both.
Ambidextrous.
Slowly.
Me, I will sit on the steps.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll sit on the steps.
Me, I'm going to go down backward.
Yeah, it's easier backwards.
Now it's easier stepping than sitting. Just step sideways
Yeah, okay.
so your feet are
Yeah, sideways.
stable.
Hello, what's his name?
Lily.
Lily, baby, girl.
Girl.
Okay.
Say bye.
Enjoy, bye.
Thank you.
Say bye.
Bye, enjoy. Take care. Okay.
Thank you.
The last one, I believe.